Hi, let's talk about these sneaky style mistakes that could be making you look older and outdated. But don't you worry, I'm here to help you fix them. Today I'm working with beautiful Laura to show you real-life examples of how simple changes can make a huge difference. Let's jump in. We have been exploring how Laura can maximize her existing wardrobe and wear this beautiful red summer dress during cold seasons. So the cardigan is really a great way, but the proportion here doesn't actually work and makes the look feel a little bit off. The proportion of 1:1 is boring and not flattering, whereas unbalanced proportions are interesting and pleasing to look at. Based on proportion of thirds or golden ratio, 1/3 to 2/3 ratio is the most aesthetically pleasing division of spaces, and actually the same applies to our clothing. So I visually shortened and secured the cardigan with a belt and pushed the sleeves up, so this changes up the proportions of the same look, and yet the outfit on the right appears more balanced and flattering. Now the second way we can fix the style is actually by swapping to something a bit longer for the bottom half. So we swapped the dress to this a bit longer dress, which is slightly a bit more fitted on the hip area. A statement bangle to add some interest on the wrist, and that's it. Really looks very modern and elevated. I know skinny jeans were once everyone's favorite, and for a while they ruled our closets. But here's the deal: skinny jeans can feel overly tight and in some cases highlight areas you may not want to draw attention to. Plus, they often don't have the fresh, modern vibe that new denim trends are bringing to the table. Since Laura has wider hips, we skipped wide leg jeans and jumped into cropped flare style. These are a game changer. The subtle flare adds a modern, youthful touch, especially when paired with modern sneakers. Wearing colors with too much contrast for your natural features is one of the mistakes that can make you look older. Black can look harsh and overpowering, especially if you have lighter features like Laura. This Houndstooth blazer in brown shades blends beautifully and brightens Laura's complexion and keeps the look fresh and youthful. I rolled up the sleeves a little bit to bring the attention to the waistline, and also notice how this blazer is on a longer side, but it has beautiful hourglass shape to it, therefore it works even for pear-shaped ladies, where the black one had more of a boxy fit. See the difference? Light neutrals are your secret weapon for a modern, vibrant style. Here is a style mistake you might not realize: relying on black accessories like shoes or bags that don't match your natural coloring. Black can feel heavy and create a harsh contrast, especially if your hair or features are softer. We have changed the code here too, but I just want you to focus on shoes. Do you see how a softer tone shoes replicate the color of Laura's hair? And now the same goes for a brown bag. Those small details really matter and make the outfit look more cohesive, modern, and flattering. Do you see how these tones pull the whole look together? It's a simple change that makes a big difference. So upgrade your accessories and you will instantly elevate your style. An all-black outfit can feel heavy, overwhelming, and let's be honest, a little bit outdated, especially if the cut is. Like this old dress from Laura's wardrobe. Also, this tulip cup and open leg with skinny ankle boots doesn't do much in flattering Laura's proportions. So instead we swap to this deep green monochrome look that has different textures because of this satin dress and a little bit textured blazer. See how the green and textures elevate the look while black just falls really very flat. Here is a style mistake that can instantly age your look: wearing an outfit that's too tight. While fitted pieces can be fun, pairing them together often feels unbalanced and overdone. Now let's fix it, and we are adding an oversized black blazer. The relaxed fit balances the mini skirt and tulle top, creating a chic, modern silhouette. Plus, the complementary color palette ties everything together beautifully. See how the blazer elevates the look? It's all about playing with proportions and mixing tailored pieces with oversized pieces and playful textures for that modern but still feminine touch. And yes, the blazer is the same one from the last style tip number 3, but this time it looks great because of different proportions and complementary color palette. So remember, balance is key. Here is a mistake that instantly dates your look: ill-fitting clothes. This coat with its droopy shoulders, too short sleeve, and challenging hemline feels sloppy and quite hard to style. Now let's swap it for a long tailored coat with built-in shoulders. The clean lines, the perfect sleeve length, and versatile hemline make it effortlessly chic and modern. But we still wanted to find an option to wear this shorter coat with a pride, and for that reason we actually swapped the whole outfit. So the shorter hemline skirt works with this coat, and also a long sleeve top under helps in visually elongating the sleeves of the coat. And voila, it works! It's all in details. There you have it, simple swaps to fix those sneaky style mistakes that might be aging you. From better proportions to flattering colors and tailored fits, it's all about making thoughtful choices and elevating your look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips to keep your style fresh and fabulous. Keep shining, stay classy. Ciao, ciao!